All right, then, since we successfully created these screens, so let's go ahead and customize the onboarding screen 1 and 2 and 3 and everything. All right, so inside the assets folder, I already did copy the images which is necessary for those all these three screens, different screens, the brand and the screen 1, screen 2, screen 3 images and everything. I already did copied over here. All right, so if you want to use the exact same thing, I already shared it inside the assets folder. You can able to find the screen 1, screen 2 and everything which is available over there. So please go ahead and download it and use it, or you can use your own images. All right, so inside the assets folder, I'm going to create a new file called index.js so that we can able to export all the images which is necessary for it. All right, so let's go ahead and export it. So what you need to do is, so first image, which is the brand.png, right? This is the thing which we need to export. That's a logo. So let me right click and rename it and copy it completely. And here I'm just going to say export default as brand from /brand.png. Just like the same way, we have to export everything from here. All right, so we have to export everything. So let me copy it completely and let me paste it over here. So including the card, screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, brand and everything. All right, so make sure that you exported all the images which we copied it from there, which is highly necessary for this particular project. All right, so please pause the video and type all this content. Okay, so let me save these changes. Let me get back to the onboarding screen. So the first screen which we are about to customize is nothing but that is the screen 1, right? The screen 1 is the which is we need to customize it over here. So let's go to the screen 1. Once again, okay. So let's keep it as it is. Flex 1, item center, justify center, and I don't need this background color. I'm going to keep it as a relative position. And inside this, I need to bring an image, and of course that image is going to take the complete screen. So we need to bring that image which is coming from this React Native package. Make sure that you are imported that package over here, that component over there, image component. And for this image component, we do have the source component. Source, of course, it's going to be the screen 1 which is coming from our assets folder, screen 1. So I'm going to use the screen 1 image which is coming from our assets folder. Make sure that is imported perfectly fine. So then what I need to do is I need to add the class name. So width, of course, it's going to take the complete width, and height is also going to take the complete height. And the resize mode, of course, it's going to cover the entire screen. Save these changes. Now you are about to see the complete changes over there. See, we are in the screen 1 and you can able to see the complete picture over there. Cool, right? So then what I'm going to do is I'm about to create one more view, and inside this view, so basically this view is going to take the absolute position. So it's going to take the absolute position. So let's add those styles over here, class name. So width, I'm just going to fix the width, not the complete screen. I'm just going to keep it in the lowest as possible. So I'm just going to take the 200 pixels something, right? So I don't need, because I'm just trying to access this. 1 second. So 1 second, because we are trying to access this particular portion. So this is not going to be more than 200 pixels or something. So we are trying to access this particular portion over there. All right, so that's what we are trying to do over here. So then height, of course, it's going to be auto according to the image. What I'm going to keep it inside, the height should adjust according to it. So flex, everything should be flex, item center, justify center. All right, and padding, of course, I'm going to add 2. And this is going to be in the absolute position. So for the time being, I'm just going to keep it in the background red color. So now if you go to the screen 1, and there you can able to see that which we added over there, but it should be from the left side, it should be in the position number 4, and from the top it should be over here like this, top 36. So all these things are just trial and error. It's not just I'm typing like this straight away. It's just a trial and error. I just adjusted until I feel that is the perfect place or something. All right, so please take your time and adjust it until you feel satisfied. So then I need to bring the image, and the source of the image is going to be the brand, which is coming from the assets folder, and the class name is going to be the width. Of course, it's going to take the 32, and height is also going to 32, and the resize mode is going to be the contain. Save the changes. So now you can able to see that image over there. It's looking cool, right? So let me remove this background color, which is not necessary for now. Save the changes, and now you can see that brand logo over there. So right after that, we need to bring a text which going to display the brand name, and of course it's going to be it can be like, let's say, enchant your beauty, something like that. Enchant your beauty or something, or enchant beauty. Let's give it as enchant beauty, and let's give the class name for it, like text size is going to be Excel size, and font, of course, it's going to be the semi bold, and the text color is going to be a customized CSS color, which is 555. Save the changes, and now you can see that the onboarding screen number 1. Just like the same way, we have to go and customize the screen 2. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start doing the screen 2. So screen 1 is successfully completed. So next thing is we have to do the screen 2.